Hey everyone, and welcome back. In today's video, we are diving into the world of STL algorithms, built-in functions that make your code shorter, faster, and cleaner. By the end of this video, you'll be using sort, find, and many more like a pro. The C++ STL provides ready-to-use algorithms for searching, sorting, counting, reversing, and much more, so you don't have to write everything from scratch. This program here sorts the number with help of STL algorithm. For that, we write hash include algorithm that gives access to STL algorithms. The sort function sorts element between begin and end. It works perfectly with vectors, arrays, and lists. Let's explore a few more useful algorithms. We created a vector called nums and have our values. The reverse function here flips the order of the elements. So we will get 2, 3, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. With count function here, we are counting how many times a value appears. For example, we are counting for 2. So 2 appears 1 and 2 times here. The find function here searches for a value and returns an iterator. The if-else condition here checks whether we found the number or not. You can also find the smallest and largest elements easily with functions like min element and max element. Let's see how we code that. So we created a vector called data. These functions here return iterators pointing to the minimum or maximum element. We use star and then the iterator to get the actual value. You can even combine STL algorithms for powerful one-liners. For example, in this code, first we sort in ascending order and then reversing it to get the descending order. Simple, clean, and efficient. Let's combine all these functions in a small marks analyzer project. Let's first include our headers, then using namespace, and inside the main, we are going to create a vector called marks, and then we will print original marks to the screen. After that, we are going to sort it and then print highest and lowest marks. We will also count the number of students that got highest marks and then reverse the order. Let's get started. So till here, we created a vector of data type integer called marks and then printed the original marks to the screen. So first we are going to sort it and then print highest and lowest marks. So we will use the functions sort, max element and min element. With this done, we are going to count the number of students scoring 92 and then use the reverse function. Let's save and run this program. We sorted, reversed, counted and found minimum maximum marks, all using STL algorithms. This project shows how real world tasks become easier using STL. And that's it for today's video. We explored some of the most commonly used STL algorithms in C++: sort, reverse, count, find, min element, and max element. In the next video, we'll dive deeper into how STL algorithms actually work by learning about iterators in C++ STL, which connect containers and algorithms together. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below your favorite STL function. See you in the next one.